Residents along Florida's Gulf Coast cleaning up after back-to-back hurricanes left devastation in their region. And this evening, we look at a fourth-generation family business in the Tampa area that has been especially hard hit this time around. Correspondent Jonathan Seri is in Tampa tonight.
In the wake of Hurricane Milton, the Tampa headquarters of Pilgrim Permacoat looks more like a dollhouse.
We've been through a lot of little or smaller hurricanes, obviously, and with very little damage. That building has held amazingly well for all these years, and we weren't so lucky this time.
The family-owned construction products business has operated out of this former cigar factory since 1956.
I've been at this building since a little girl, just roller skating around, and I have a lot of fond memories. And it was really hard seeing it like that.
Milton caused around $50 billion in damage statewide, according to President Biden, who visited the Tampa Bay area Sunday to meet with first responders.
This is all a team effort, folks. We made a big difference, and it saved lives. But there's much more to do, and we're going to do everything we can to get power back in your homes, not only helping you recover, but to help you build back stronger.
Police have been facilitating the return of fuel to empty pumps and intervening when tempers flare.
Get in line like the rest of us!
Florida Gulf Coast residents are uneasy about the timing of Milton, which made its October 9 landfall less than 2 weeks after Hurricane Helene.
I guess it's kind of part of living here now. We're going to have storms and stuff's going to get ruined, but everything can be rebuilt. So as long as everyone sticks together and keeps a positive mindset, I think that's the only way to do it.
A great attitude. Utility crews have restored power to about 3 million homes and businesses statewide. According to PowerOutage.us, just under 300,000 customers remain without electricity. Utilities hope to have them back online by late Tuesday. And according to Gas Buddy, while more than 80% of Florida gas stations now have fuel, here in Tampa, only half have gas to sell. Brett?
Jonathan Seri live in Tampa. Jonathan, thanks.